Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Destiny. I love you. You are an inspiration not only as your biological brother, but as your spiritual brother. You mean a lot. And I know you mean a lot because I just posted a video of me singing on Facebook and YouTube. Yeah. I would hope that would be love. Yeah, so happy birthday. And you really do mean a lot to me. And it's so beautiful. God inside and outside. So I'm done. You have a blessed birthday, and I know it'll be fantastic. Bye-bye.